Currently they're hooking up the rigging for the bridge. That will be the lift points. They'll be able to lift this bridge out of the stream. There'll be 2 cranes that will hook into the bridge. We plan to lift it out of the stream and put it on temporary cribbing, and then we'll be able to examine the structure, determine what type of damage might exist, and then try to come up with specifications to repair the bridge and put it back in place. Ready.